We are now going to go into the showroom with our favorite guy in our favorite spot, and I messed that up, with a favorite knife of ours in a new format. It's Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we have Benchmade's new Mini Auto Adamas in 3 forms. Not just one, not just 2, but all 3. So we have the black version. So the black and the OD green or the FDE will be in CPM crew wear, both with a coating on them. You'll notice minute differences between this one and the standard manual. These holes are plugged. So I believe they did this all through milling because I don't see any gaps in there. So in the regular one, those holes are open, right? You'll be able to see all the way through it. With these, I believe because of the auto mechanism, they're trying to keep it a little cleaner, they plug those holes. Like all autos with Benchmade, it does have a secondary lock, so you can so it can't fire in your pocket. It'll completely take away the use of the mechanism. The FDE, looking good. This is probably the color we sell the most of, but the style we like the most of is definitely the marbled carbon fiber with the Magna Cut. I did a little comparison. There are minor things different, right? So like that guy, and on this side it's a stud, or not a stud, but it has a so you can take it apart from both sides. This one is a stud, and they changed Magna Cut. So on the regular one it says CPM Magna Cut. This one says Magna Cut. So like if you do happen to be taking 2 of them apart at the same time, you know which blade goes where or something. I don't know why they did it, but and I don't know if the camera will see it, but with where they lasered it, it's a little bit more blue than their regular marking. And they did that on this one. It wasn't on the other 2 because this one is the only one that isn't coated. But the action on this is great. It's the same great size, absolutely brilliant knife. So if you're looking for a new Benchmade Mini Auto Adamas, we now have them all in stock.
Right on. Favorite knife of ours, we both carry the Mini Adamas in the manual version. One of the other things you won't see is the thumb stud is also gone, but the automatics on Benchmade, I don't know of another company that does it through the axis lock, making it an ambidextrous automatic.
Yes.
Because all other automatics usually have a button on one side, you're usually gonna just have to operate it from that one side. I've seen left-handed people do that as well. But with the axis lock, if you're used to it, this isn't, and if you're left-handed, this is an automatic that you're able to just be used to already using as soon as you grab it. So, as always, y'all, we'll wrap it up here. You guys have any questions, leave it down in the comments. Make sure you're supporting us, liking, subscribing, all the things. We'll see you tomorrow.